Installing a lift in your home may sound like quite a job, but whether you are including a lift in a home built from scratch or taking your current home to the next level, it's really not all that complicated. We are here to help you make your journey towards next level living a smooth one. The first step is to understand your needs and everyday life at home. The second step is to have a look at our products and solutions. In our online lift guide, you can design your lift the way you want it, just like when you're looking into buying a new car or a new kitchen. When the lift starts to take shape, it's time to get in touch with us. If you are designing a new home, we also suggest getting your architect involved at this stage. He or she will help you to make your new lift a natural part of your home by fitting it right into the plans from the beginning. When everything is set, our people can help you select the details that will make your home lift be just the way you want it to be. Whether you want it to be subtle, sophisticated, and blend in, or to become a statement at the center of the room and topic of conversations. Start your journey towards next level living and let us know when you want us to join you.